This video I wanted to highlight on certain glaring patterns that most traders should avoid trading in, and a typical example is the areas of consolidation. Areas of consolidations are places whereby price of an asset really hasn't really established a definitive trend. Trading happens in three areas: it's either uptrend and downtrend, then consolidation. And consolidation is more or less that one of the most difficult parts to trade it, because price moves in a linear form. It's not really in let's say in an uptrend or a downtrend. Price literally moves in a linear form, and it's hard to trade in linear angles or linear regions. And it's quite clear that Market Cipher gave us a very clear indication of how prices, even though we are heading downwards territories, we are heading towards the negative territories. The regions of consolidation gives you a clearer understanding of how price works and the need to avoid it. If you're going to trade in these regions, you're not really definitive. Your actions or your trading decisions are not really, I would say, it's not really upwards or downwards. It's in either upwards or downwards, and it happens in real time. And it's hard for you to decide your trading on certain regions like that. So that's why I think Market Cipher gives you a clearer understanding of how trading works, because you could realize that the volume is heading downwards, but we've not really hit the negative territories per se, because we're still in the positive territories up until we see majority of our oscillators or waves heading towards the negative. Then we make our trading decisions. But right now we are consolidating. In other words, we are partially in the positives and partially in the negatives. So it's hard for you to decide whereby you just trade upwards because it's a partial movement, and it's hard for you to trade downwards because it's a partial movement up until you see majority of your road signs or your Google Maps heading towards the negative territories like this. Then you start trading, because for now we're just in the regions of consolidation, and it's very hard for you to base your entire trading decisions on just these regions. So this is just basically a short video. Until then, have a nice time. Peace.